Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassandra. If you are just seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, you're amazing. Thank you so much. So in today's video, we're going to be making a cake with a cake box, and I'm going to be using the Betty Crocker cake mix here, as you can see, and I'm just going to show you some tricks and hacks that you can actually use to make very tasty cake with a cake mix or a cake box family. So let's talk briefly about this cake mix. So this is from Betty Crocker Foods, and it's actually a cake mix. This is a chocolate cake mix, so we're going to be making some chocolate cake today. If you're a lover of chocolate, then I'm sure you're really going to love this one. So one thing that I always do, and I would always tell you, is make sure that you look at the nutrition fact. You can also find it here. So what this tells you is it actually tells you the ingredients that is contained here. You should also look out for artificial flavors. According to this product, it says here that there are no artificial flavors. This is actually where you should check, to look out for artificial flavors or sweeteners. According to this, there are no artificial flavors or sweeteners. So, and this particular cake mix actually serves 12 people, meaning like 12 slices. So a slice is actually okay for you. So if you do not have time on your hands and you can't go through the process of baking from scratch, you can actually get something like this, and within 20 minutes you have lovely cake to serve your guests with. So the first hack for making a lovely cake with this cake mix is to replace the water with milk. According to the instructions over here, it says that you should use 230 ml of water or 230 ml of milk. So it even gives you extra tips to make this more delicious. So if it says water, replace with milk. So we have our milk here. Second hack is your eggs. So here it says we should use 3 medium eggs. And the hack I'm going to give you is, if it tells you 3 medium eggs, all you need to do is add an extra egg to this, and it's going to take your cake to another level, trust me. So we're going to use 4 eggs right now. The third hack is to use melted butter instead of vegetable oil. So it says 120 ml of vegetable oil, or you have 120 gram of melted butter. So I'm going to use melted butter. Melted butter actually makes it more fluffy, and it tastes much better when you use the melted butter. The fourth hack is to add an extra flavor to your cake mix. And this depends on the kind of cake mix, the kind of cake that you're actually preparing. So for this, we're making chocolate cake, and we all know that cinnamon, nutmeg, they actually taste very nice in chocolate cake. So today I'm going to be adding a little bit of cinnamon to this mixture. And without further ado, let's get started. We're going to get a bowl, and we are going to pour our cake mixture into the bowl. So just pour this here. Now we're going to put in our eggs. So it says 3 eggs, and I'm going to be using 4 instead of 3. I'm going to pour in our milk. And our butter. I'm going to leave just little for us to butter our pan. And now it's time for us to mix this. Oh, and of course, we cannot forget our cinnamon. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in here. You can see how lovely this looks. So once you have this consistency, then we know that it is time for us to bake. And I'm really excited. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. So we're going to use this pan, and all you need to do is butter your pan and make sure that your oven is preheated. We're just going to bake this for like 15 to 20 minutes and our cake is ready. You're just going to pour in the cake mixture in here. Just and straight into the oven.
This is what it looks like after baking. It's really nice. This cake is so delicious, guys. You need to try it out. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.